So we're down here in Clapham in southwest London. This is another project we're starting this morning. So what we're going to be doing is brick cleaning all of the brickwork on the front of the property using a doff machine. So just going for a very mild brick clean on the front of the property. Lads have been here this morning getting everything prepped up, covering up all the glass and all the windows. So clean all the brickwork, cut out and replace all of the damaged bricks where needed. Going to be replacing the plinth on the base of the property, so taking the plinth off the base, put some nice new period air vents. Sections of plinth have fallen off in the past over there, so we're going to sort all of that out. Then we're going to be getting all the old paint off all of the stonework, squaring up all of the window sills. You can see there they've lost all of the detail on the undersides there, so we'll square all of them up, make them look nice and sharp. Decoration to all the internals around by the front door. So we'll decorate all in here as well, get all of that looking nice and smooth and fill in all the cracks in that there. Up on the first floor, going to be stripping all of the paint off all of the egg and dark moulded bricks. That's all been painted over. So we'll strip all of that off, get it back to brick, and then cut out and replace all of the ones that are damaged and lost of detail. Replace them for like, all the way through that string course all the way there. Burn all the old paint off all the window sills on here as well. They're completely flaky and no good anymore, so we get all the paint off of these, square all of them up. Same with these window sills, just a straightforward burn off, repair and fill. Got some blown areas on the sky surface there, we'll sort that out as well. And then just the same thing on the top elevation, just cleaning, repointing. I've had some patchwork done in the past there, burning off the paint off the window heads, and then just the gable to finish off. So it should be a straightforward job, this one. Nice and easy, clean and repoint. Not too many bricks to replace. I'm just sorting out the stonework, do the parapets as well, and yeah, straightforward job. So we'll show you some progress to this once all the lads have cleaned all of the brickwork and got some samples done, and I'm sure they'll transform this and give it a real nice facelift. So if you've got any questions about this project, or you'd like a free quotation for any services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries as always. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Clapham in southwest London. This is another project all completed. So what we've done on this project was brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks as normal, repointed all of the brickwork in a penny roll finish. Just give you a little close up of how it all looks. Perfect finish as always. What else we did on this project was replaced all of the moulded bricks, so all of the egg and dark moulded bricks all underneath, that was all completely rotten, so we've replaced all of the egg and dark moulded bricks all the way through there. Same sort of thing upstairs, burnt all the paint off all of the window sills, squared all of the window sills up, all new egg and dark moulded bricks underneath the window sills, more egg and dark moulded bricks all through there, restored all of the moulding bricks on the top through there, nice fillet all the way along there. We've also done a lot of roof work on here, so we've done works to the main roof. Customer is now going to change this fascia board, getting a bit of water overshooting the guttering, so customer wants to do that. But we did some main work, roof work to the main roof, some repairs up to there. But once again, another job wrapped up to the highest standard as always. So if you like a free quotation for any services that we offer as always, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries as always. Thank you very much. Oh, and we are going to be doing a new plinth as well. Customer is having a new driveway done, so once the driveway is done, we're going to come back and put a nice new plinth all the way around the base of the property with some nice new period air vents just to finish that off. The customers are really happy
we've had. This has came out and had lots of inquiries from other neighbouring houses on the street as always. Thank you very much.